Namaste, everyone, and welcome back to Nature Connection. Today, we are journeying to the heart of Himalayas, to a place of tranquility and breathtaking beauty, Devprayag, which means godly confluence in Sanskrit. Here, nestled amongst the majestic peaks, witness a wonder of the nature, the meeting point of two mighty rivers, the Alaknanda and the Bhagirathi. Look closely. The Alaknanda's waters, milky white from glacial sediments, flow alongside the clear turquoise Bhagirathi. Each river carries its unique journey from the Himalayas. The Alaknanda originates from glaciers near Nanda Devi, while the Bhagirathi emerges from Gangotri Glacier, considered the source of the Ganges. At this sacred union, their journey becomes one. Here, the Ganges begins its life-giving flow across the plains of India. The Ganges is more than just a river. It's a symbol of faith, purification, and the power of nature that sustains countless lives. Devprayag is a revered pilgrimage site for Hindus worldwide. Devotees come to bathe in the holy waters, seeking blessings and spiritual renewal. The temple you see plays a vital role in these rituals. The town itself reflects a simple, traditional way of life, existing in harmony with the surrounding mountains. Devprayag is a testament to the beauty and power of nature, where the Himalayas cradle a place of immense spiritual significance. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more adventures in nature.